कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
गोंयांत फाटल्या 5 वर्सां गुन्यांवकारी घडणुकांनी बरीच वाड जाल्या। फाटल्या 5 वर्सांची आंकडेवारी पळयली जाल्यार 2020 ते 2024 मेरेन वट्ट 412 बायलांचेर अत्याचार जाल्यात, जाल्यार वायट कृत्यां केल्ल्या 398 दुबावितांक अटक केल्यात। दर वर्सा बायला दीस व्हडा उमेदीन मनोवन तांकां मान सन्मान दितात, मात बायलां आड जावपी अत्याचाराच्यो घडणुको कांय कमी जावपाचें नांव घेनात। ताका लागून गोंयांत बायलां खरीच सुरक्षीत आसा काय असो प्रस्न पडल्या बगर रावना। बायलांचेर जावपी अत्याचारांच्या घडणुकांचेर समाज वावुरपी बायलांनी तिडक उक्तायल्या।
Rape cases are increasing every year in Goa, and it is very alarming, and it is high time we hold the people elected and holding these portfolios responsible for not taking action on it on time. Now, when we did an RTI research and we checked about from 2020 to 2024, how many rape cases have been registered? The total number is 412. And how many have been detected? 398, out of which 14 have been undetected. This is just one part of it which has been registered. What about those cases where women don't go forward and register their cases? What about those cases where husband and wife, where the wife informs the husband that I do not want to have any sexual intercourse, and he insists and forcibly has sex with her, and that also is called a rape inside the family. We can hear a lot of cases where we've seen that between family members, where these uncles who come in and sometimes fathers, even brothers and neighbors and everyone around have taken advantage of women in the family or in the neighborhood. So this is very alarming, where a lot of cases have not been registered, and we have to make this awareness. We have to hold people responsible. We have to make sure that we give the courage to our little girls to voice up, to make a noise.
सुवातेर म्हणल्यार सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार 8 मार्च जावन गेलो, आनी 8 मार्च इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज इंटरनॅशनल वुमन्स डे. वुमन्स डे दे ऑल सेलिब्रेटेड. आय सॉ इवन पेडण्या आख्खे खाजरांनी बायल्यो एकठांय जाल्यो, तांचो प्रोग्राम साजरे केले आनी खावपा पिवपा सगळें नाच गाणें जालें, आनी दॅट वॉज इट. बट टेल मी, रियली आर वुमन टुडेज डे, आर दे रियली सेफ? वॉज इट वर्थ सेलिब्रेटिंग वुमन्स डे? फॉर मी इट्स नो. बिकॉज इफ यू गो टू सी द स्टॅटिस्टिक्स इन 2020 म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी 107 no 2020 it was 61 cases which were there in Goa, which was registered as rape. 61 cases 2020. And हालींच आता पळयात this year. If you go to see this last year, 107 cases have been registered. And if I'm not mistaken, more than 100 cases are detected म्हणून वता. आता म्हाका वायट दिसता कित्याक? What is the problem? 20 61 आणि आता 24 107 जाल्या. Why this is? If the law and order, police department खातें जें आसा तें खरें अर्थान बायलांची सेफ्टी प्रोटेक्टिंग आशिल्लें जाल्यार, प्रोटेक्शन आशिल्लें जाल्यार हें जावपाचें न्ही.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर विनायक सामंत।